What's up, you guys? Tad's got a quick video showing you how to put LED lights onto your wooden flags. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is get our flag, and then we're going to get it flipped over. And then we are going to take our lights. I just got these off Amazon. I will go ahead and link them below in the description. Let's go ahead and get these opened up. So inside here we will have a dimmer, then we'll have a roll of lights, and then a cord with a plug. All right, so now that we got our lights out, we're going to go ahead and take our roll here, and then you can start in either the bottom left or the bottom right hand corner, or you could even start at the bottom in the middle. And we're just gonna start unrolling these, and then as you can see on the back, they have this little peel off part, and what you're gonna do is just peel that off, and then it will be sticky below that, and then that is gonna be what secures it. All right, so that is what it looks like when they peel off, just like that. These lights are about 15 bucks, by the way, when I ordered them, just to give you an idea of the price range. So I'm just gonna start mine down in this bottom left-hand corner, and then I'm just gonna put it like right in the middle of the wood piece. Actually, I'm gonna put it right at just as close to this side as I can. So pretty much just flush with the outside edge of this piece. And then over these open spaces, you're just gonna have to pull it tight and just stick it just like that. If you're worried about it, you can always just add a block in here or something, something to stick it to. And then with these, let me just show you real quick. The places where you can cut them is just right at these little marks right here. It has a little scissor graphic on there, and you could pretty much do this with almost any size flag, as long as it's not too big. But with any of the smaller size flags, you could just do the same exact thing, and then you just have to cut it to the right size, as long as you cut it on one of these marks. And with the smaller size flags, depending on the design of it, so like with this one right here, the mini one, you might have to just fur it out just a little bit. Even some furring strips that are just the width of the LED light, then that would allow you to go ahead and put it on the back. And then with the medium size one, you could also just do the same thing, just get some furring strips that are just the right width and tack them on there. And then that would super easily allow you to put it on either of those size flags as well. So let's go ahead and finish getting this unraveled. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that right on the cut mark. All right, so now we got all the lights installed. The next thing that we're gonna do, if you wanna put the dimmer on, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimmer on mine. If you don't wanna put the dimmer on, then you can just plug this straight into the back here, and then that will be ready to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on there. And with mine, I'm just gonna leave the dimmer. I'm just gonna go ahead and run the cord for the dimmer just right behind the lights, just like that. I'm not very good at doing things one-handed here. All right, so I'm just gonna have mine. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tack a screw into the back, and then just let that hang just like that. So when it's on the wall, this will just hang out. All right, so I just got these tiny little screws. They're the same screws that I use for my hangers on the back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just gonna kind of sandwich them in there just like that. And then that will allow this to hang without, pulling down on anything. So now let's go ahead and get it up on the wall, and we'll see how she looks. All right, so that is what it looks like, and go ahead and show you the dimmer. So you can just have it low. You can turn it up, and with this dimmer, you could even just like glue it to the bottom on the face here if you wanted it to look kind of like it was part of it. Otherwise, if you had this on the bottom left side or the bottom right side on the back, you could put it just like right on the side here and have it just on the side like that, and then this could come straight down. So if you had that over there, then that might look kind of nice just to have the little switch right there. So I hope you can get a good idea for what to do for yours. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go ahead and shut the garage door and see how it looks. All right, so it's not completely dark in here, but go ahead and give you a better idea. And then let's try with some low light. All right, so that's with just a little bit of glow, and then there's turned all the way up. So I think it looks really cool. It looks better in person, just because this glow right here isn't as harsh. I'll go ahead and put a picture here if a picture will pick it up a little bit better, but I hope I'm giving a pretty good example of what it looks like. And that is pretty much it for you. Please let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. I'd love to hear any video recommendations that you guys might have for me. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and also check me out on Instagram. Like I said, I will go ahead and link the lights down below if you would like to order them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck with your project. Yeah.